Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Darcia and today's video is like a winter essentials video. I have made a list of things that I absolutely need. I think I'm going to need and I'm looking forward to needing and to having in my life for this winter. You guys may or may not know I am from Montreal and winter is brutal. It's brutal. Some things have nothing to do with winter. Some things are just fashion pieces, but a lot of it is more towards winter. If you do live in a cold country, you will understand that we are coming into the seasons of no return. We are mid-November and it feels like it's February outside. I don't know what happened this year, but this is not normal. Half of my fall jackets are tucked away because I don't know what happened, and I don't know what Montreal did to Mother Nature. If you guys want to see my winter essentials, just keep watching. Okay, so first thing I want to talk about is iced coffee. I am a intense iced coffee drinker. This is my second one. When I worked like a retail job, I used to order an iced coffee every morning. Like every morning, whether it was $3 to $5 to $6 to $7, I was ordering coffee. And I don't really like Starbucks coffee like that. I like their like festive drinks, but I like Second Cup a lot. I'm not sure if it's available everywhere, but in Montreal it's kind of pricey. And I love my McDonald's iced coffee. It's honestly not that cheap when you get it in winter. It's actually more expensive in winter than in summer. In summer it's $1 or $1.50, and in summer it's like $5. It's like $3.85 plus tax or something ridiculous. My boyfriend cussed me out and he's like, you need to stop buying iced coffee. And it was to a point where it's so cold out and I didn't want to leave the house. I was Ubering iced coffee. And it's something that I'm not proud of. It's a lot of money. It's about $7 for a coffee order. For McDonald's coffee. It's not even the second. Imagine if it was a Second Cup coffee, you know. $7 for McDonald's. I was doing that for like 2 weeks and my boyfriend said no. I'm very close to my boyfriend. He lives with me, but he is very like money saving savvy. Like he's very good at like being straight and not buying stupid shit like me. So he's like no. So I looked up coffee. Okay, my dog's here. Hi boo boo. Do you want to join? Okay, you want to leave? Tu rentres plus. It's done. Tu rentres plus. C'est fini, c'est fun. So I looked up a recipe on like how to do iced coffee because I only drink iced coffee, and now your girl makes her own iced coffee, and it's been 3 weeks now and I'm very happy. I know it's very random, but like I have saved so much money. Next essential are cardigans. I have a hook with all of my cardigans. I am obsessed with cardigans, and if you guys want to know which one specifically, I like the long chunky ones. The ones that go up to my knees or to the floor almost. And if you guys want to see them, I will link my past couple try on hauls in the description down below or in the eyes up here. But I'm always wearing things like this, where like 2-piece sets like this. This one's from Fashion Nova, and it was in one of my past try on hauls. And I just pair it with a cardigan when I have stuff to do in the house, or even going out. Like I just pair it with a big chunky teddy coat and just leave the house. I think these are such casual, cozy, classy outfits that are so comfortable. I'm so comfortable in this, and I always have a cardigan on. If I don't have a cardigan on, I have my next essential, which is a robe. I just posted a Pretty Little Thing Cyber Monday / Black Friday wish list, what you guys should get and what I think is like bomb. So I picked up this robe that says Pretty Little Thing in the back. It's in salt and pepper. I don't want to like toot my own horn, but it's sold out after I posted this video. So Pretty Little Thing, I don't know, but I think that's kind of a message, you know what I'm saying? So everybody loved the robe on me in that video, but this color is so beautiful. And if the gray is sold out, there's so many different models, and I think they're all around the same price. Pretty Little Thing obviously has discount codes and whatnot on their website, like always. And it says Pretty Little Thing in white, which I love. They could have went like the tacky route and put like pink, and it's so fluffy and fuzzy. And you know, I have my little silk robe, my pink one that I wear when I want to look bougie, but this is going to be like, I wear it every day. The first thing I put on when I wake up is this because it's just so comfortable and it's really warm. I just love this. I love it so much. I have 2 jackets. First coat is from Kane Collection. They were kind enough to send me this coat. It's an amazing gray fur coat. I will insert a clip of me wearing it. They are a Montreal based brand, which I love because I am from Montreal, and they were kind enough to gift me not only the coat but this cute beanie. This is the tag. It says Kane on it, and this is 100% the most professional packaging I've ever had. I have a beanie like this in black and I loved it so much. Guys, winter is officially here. Look at how it's how fluffy this is. This is adorable with the curls. Oh my god, I look so cute. I love this beanie. It's so nice. Matches my other winter jacket too, because my winter jacket, the fur is more like this color. All of my winter jackets have like fur. Honestly, fur is a thing here in Canada. In Montreal, we invest a lot in our coats, especially in Montreal. Like, I have coats that are over $1,000, but it's worth it because they last years. All of my coats, have had them for years now. Winter coats, actual, like, you can go skiing and stuff with them if you want to. And this is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna take this off for now. Great. Here is the coat. Guys, I am shook at how great this quality is. Honestly, it's pretty, it's not cheap, but it's reasonably priced. I've seen coats like this on other websites that retail for a lot more, like ridiculously high prices. This is a pretty good price. It's kind of cropped, but not really. It goes up to like my hips. I really love this. It fits beautifully and it's so soft, and it came in the nicest packaging in the world. It's one of the nicest packagings in PR that I've received ever. So shout out to them for sending me this. And if you guys don't know what to ask bae for Christmas, I think this is a great one for going out. Pair this, a nice white like mock neck type of top and some leather leggings and some nice boots. Go out for dinner with your nice purse, you know, something like this. Oh, whole look. I absolutely love this jacket, and they have other colors and other models. They also have, I've seen tracksuits on their website, and if you're from Montreal, you don't have to be, but if you are from Montreal, you should definitely check them out. I wore it for my boyfriend's, my boyfriend does make music, and he did a music video. Well, we filmed a music video, and there's a part where I have to like dress nice and stuff, and I wore this. Bro, I got so, guys were like, bro, that's a dope jacket. Like, if a guy says something's nice without like flirting or whatever, like straight up just be like, bro, that's a dope jacket, bro, you know it's nice, okay? Because guys only compliment you when they want something out of it, you know what I'm saying. I got like so many compliments from this jacket. It's so extra, but it's so elegant and classy. I don't know, I'm gonna stop talking about it, but this is cute, sis. Amazing. Next favorite is my other winter coat that I've been wearing a lot. I do own other ones. I own a Montclair and Macage and that, and I feel like everybody has them, so I'm kind of tired of them. I do wear them sometimes when I need like something a little like fancier, but my boyfriend bought me a matching jacket to his because he got it and I was supposed to get it too, and it discontinued, it disappeared, and then my size just reappeared like 2-3 months later. And he surprised me with it, and that was the sweetest thing ever. And I've been getting so many messages and DMs and on my comments down below. Like, it is a Winham Canada Goose. I do not know anything about Canada Goose like that. Bae knows all the specs, everything about this jacket. I don't. All I know is that it's a men's jacket and it's called the Winham model, and it's in the gray camo. Other jacket exists in this colorway, but this specific model is discontinued, and I think me and my boyfriend got the last ones. And I love the amount of compliments. Like, I don't wear things to get compliments, and I didn't think this colorway was a big deal because I usually get black jackets, brown, you know, regular colors. But I got this and I'm like, oh, you know, I didn't want to get a red jacket because my mom has a red Canada Goose, so I'm like, I'll get something like cool but subtle. Bro, this is not subtle at all, okay? We went to Ottawa for a day. We went to Ottawa. Ottawa is about 2 hours away from me. And we wore this and people were like, you guys are so cute. You can get other jackets in this color. With that being said, this jacket is not cheap. And this is fur. And you can look up Canada Goose if you're not like with this. But this is my winter jacket. And it's a regular thing here in Montreal, in Canada, to have like nice jackets. It's expensive. It's not a cheap jacket, but Shout out to Babe, bro. My boyfriend is top tier boyfriend. Okay, I love him so much, and this is so cute. Like, he knew I wanted this really badly, and what I love is that it's not like obnoxious that it's Canada Goose. Like, people have to ask you why, because the patch that is usually bright red is black, so you're not really walking around with like a brand on, you know, on you. It just, people just like the jacket because it's nice, and then when they ask you, then you tell them it's Canada Goose. They're like, okay, cool, sick. So this is a great jacket. Our last fashion piece is pretty expensive also, but it is, I'm gonna go through this really quickly, okay? It's my Neverfull MM. This is the damier pattern colorway with the red inside. I've been wanting this bag for so long, and I kept postponing it, and I refused to buy it, and I finally had the balls to buy it. I got a great deal, and this carries everything. Do you need to get this bag? If you have the money, yes. If you don't want to splurge on an expensive bag, any other tote bag. I haven't had a tote bag in a long time, and I have one from Michael Kors that I love, but it's light pink, so it's more of like a summer color. I got this because it matches with everything. I wanted it, but I kept postponing it because everybody has this bag. Everybody has this bag, and then now I understand why, because when I did that music video shoot that I was telling you guys, everything was fitting in this bag. Like, I just love this bag, and this is definitely like a winter essential for me. All right, okay, so here is a like not weird, it's different. You won't see a lot of people talk about these, but this is Dowel Drops, and I've had these for about a month now, and they sent them to me and they gave me a discount code, and they're not sponsoring this video or anything, but I have a discount code for you guys. I don't think I make any money off of them. Maybe I do, I don't know, but only reason why I'm showing you guys these is because they work. I have two of them. I have the Relax one and I have the Focus one. So these are herbal drops, and you just take a couple drops, and then the Relax one is supposed to like chill you out, and the Focus one is supposed to like, bro, when I tell you this works, I have a bad habit of zoning out when I'm bored. I hate editing. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I absolutely hate editing, and I will find any reason not to edit a video or to sit there for hours, and like, I hate it. It's not I hate it. It sounds really bad, but like, it's not fun. You're there for hours just clicking, looking at a screen, and I find myself just moving on to Twitter, Instagram, very like this. After 20 minutes of editing, I'm like on my phone scrolling. When I take this before editing, I do not move. I will not touch my phone until I'm done editing. The benefits that it shows: focus enhancer, fights fatigue, stress reducer, and anti-inflammatory. And I think this is so true. And the Relax one also, all you have to do is just press down the bottle, and usually the dropper already has some inside, and you just take a couple drops. I'm a very small girl, so I don't think I need like the whole bottle to feel something. And when I say feel something, you really have to catch yourself being like, oh shit, half an hour ago I was really stressed and now I'm chill. I don't know, it works for me. So I'm sure that if you do have stress and anxiety, try to check them out, read the ingredients, make sure you guys, you know, talk about it to your doctor and stuff, what's in it and stuff. Make sure, if you have severe anxiety, make sure you talk to your doctor about it. I don't have severe anxiety anymore, but I do feel like this has helped me a lot when it comes to managing my little newness at being a full-time YouTuber. Last but not least, we are in the beauty category. I've been trying a lot of makeup lately because of my BoxyCharm subscription and because the Sephora VIB sale came, and I didn't get a lot of products, which is why I didn't do a haul, but I got a couple things. First, winter essential is the Laneige lip sleeping mask. I absolutely love this. I live and die by this. This is a little less than a year old, and I've hit pan. I'm almost done, and I love this. I already bought a backup at the sale because Sephora has this like kit that has 2 mini ones, and they have like seasonal, like Christmassy flavors, and there's the big jar of this, and it was like similar to the original price of this by itself. So I picked that up and I love it. I love this so much. The person that recommended this to me, thank you so much, because I can't live without it. I put some on all the time. I put some on Bay. I'm like, here, put this on. Some days, okay, I will put this on like extra some nights, and I will purposely kiss him just so I can like transfer it to him, because I know he won't put it himself. And if he sees me pull up with my nail full of like gooey pink shit, he's not gonna be like, no, I don't want this, you know. So thank me later. Next beauty item that I love is fairly new, but I know I'm going to be using it all winter because it's the perfect bronzer for every season, honestly, and it's the Fenty Beauty Beijing Gal Sunstalker bronzer, and her bronzer formula is ridiculous. Okay, amazing. The packaging is beautiful like always. Rihanna kills it every time with packaging, and this color is so nice. I have it on today, and I feel like bronzers for women of color is kind of hard to find, to use. It doesn't necessarily mean you have to be like dark. Just in general, I feel like the undertones of the bronzers are like off in most brands, and I feel like Rihanna, obviously Rihanna and Fenty, they've been killing it when it comes to women of color. But it could be like any women of color. I'm talking about like Greek girls or Asian girls. As soon as you kind of have like some golden yellow undertones in your skin, or even if you are a deeper skin tone type of gal, some bronzers are hard to find, and I feel like she killed it with this one, with this formula, with this bronzer. And I've had it for 2 weeks and I've been using it non-stop for the past 2 weeks. I absolutely love this. This is the color Beijing Gal, and I love this, and the packaging is rose gold. Top tier packaging, Rihanna. Love this so much. Last but not least, I got the iconic London setting spray. I have really dry skin, which is why I have a lot of moisturizing products in my room all the time, at all times. It gets really like tight and dry, and it's not good. And I do moisturize with really good moisturizers. Like my favorites are like the Clinique one, the e.l.f. moisturizing one. Like I love myself a nice good moisturizer. But sometimes when you're done setting your face, your under eyes, and you're using lots of powders, I like powders. I love my powdered blush, I love my powdered highlights, and I use hydrating primers and hydrating moisturizers. But after putting on so many powders, I want to bring the moisture back to my face, and this, I do like my base, my eyes, whatever, and I do my blush, everything, and then right before doing my highlight, I spray some of this, because this is not a longevity type of setting spray. It's more of like bring back some glow. It sets your makeup, obviously. It's just a never-ending vortex of like glow, you know, and it's amazing. The only thing I don't like is the scent, but I kind of get over it. It doesn't like last long on my face. But yeah, this, it really helps bring back life into your makeup. If I'm not using rose water to do that, I use this, and it just leaves the nicest shine and glow on my face. So that is it, guys, for the winter essentials video. When I love something, I'm going to be wearing it all the time, and I'll be using it all the time. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. If anyone is asking, these rings that I'm wearing right now, I've been wearing them for a couple months now, and these are from my good sis Miriam Maya. I think her name is Maya D's Nails on Instagram. She is my nail tech, and she also sells these diamond rings. But yeah, I love them. So if you guys are asking, she does my nails, and these are these, except for this ring. This is a promise ring from Pandora. I think it's from Pandora. Jimmy got this for me 3 years ago, so I'll link her Instagram down below. So yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know what you guys think of these types of videos. I could make more, or I could just incorporate it into like a vlog or something. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I can tell that you've been feeling type of ways ever since that I've been rocking with you. I can tell that you're unhappy with your man, cause he don't hold it down like